Are you looking for a Bluetooth soundbar, one that you can take with you, one that's going to be good quality, but not something that is going to be huge to have to lug around, but yet gives enough bass and treble range to make music pleasurable to listen to? Well, I'm Handy Hudsonite, giving you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Today we're talking about how to find a soundbar that can meet your needs when it comes to portability, dependability, sound quality, and just one that is going to be easy to use. Now, a few months back, I bought an Anker Soundcore off of Amazon. Now, this is the Anker first model. I believe they have a second model out now as well. You notice that I only have the box. It's because after buying this, my family has really enjoyed using it, and I honestly don't even know where it is because everyone wants to use it. Now, I'll have the link to purchase this down below, the Amazon link, and you can purchase it for it's $30 to $40. We bought it on sale, so we got it a little bit less, but it is a sound bar that we found was very simple to set up, has good quality bass and treble for its size, and is easy to pass between our different phones. I know my kids use it a lot in different places they're at around the house. Now, why would you want a sound bar and when you might have an Alexa at home or a Google Home that may have good quality sound, which they do? Well, those are usually things that you want to leave at home. You can bring them different places. They are portable as well. But let's say you have a car that needs a major upgrade as far as the stereo system, and you don't have the money to put into that, and you can purchase a soundbar like this one for 30 to 40 bucks, connect it to your phone, and if you have a Spotify account or any other music account, you can connect it to this and have pretty good sounding audio in your car. And let's say you've got a couple of cars that don't have that stellar of a stereo in it, that you could just buy a couple of these sound bars, or you could just have one and pass it between the different cars, or take it out of your car and bring it into your office or wherever you're going, and it just provides a way to bring better sounding music than just trying to play it on your phone speaker. Like if you're going to the beach, if you're going somewhere where you want to be able to have some tunes in the background, makes it easy for you to do this. Or if you want to make a call and have everyone else in the room be able to hear the person on the line more clearly, it could work great for conference calls or situations like that. A soundbar also just enables you to have a lot of different ways of sharing it around with different people that you might be with, whereas a Google Home or an Alexa, and they're a little bit more clamped down when it comes to security, and you may not want people accessing that too easily. So soundbar is just something that you can bring around with you and have it with you, stow it away in your glove compartment. Be great to bring out on a boat now that we're getting into the warmer season, to be able to have some music out on the boat, keep one in your boat, or just wherever you might be traveling. So I would encourage you to check out this one on Amazon. There are a lot of different brands and models, but I can assure you that this one has been very easy and great to use for me and my family, though I don't really ever see it because the rest of my family is passing it between each other to use. So and the battery life is great. I believe it can go 12 hours without a charge, or you can just keep it plugged in all the time depending on the environment that you're in. So be sure to let me know how your experience has been with this particular soundbar or soundbars that you have, and any other questions that you have about soundbars, leave them in the comments below so that either I or someone else in the community can answer. And be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can get tips, hacks, and reviews. and hit the bell for instant notifications when videos go up. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next one.